In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new tags in Google Tag Manager, whether you're managing a small website or a large-scale operation. Understanding how to effectively use Google Tag Manager can streamline your analytics setup and optimization efforts. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you need to open Google Tag Manager and navigate to the container you wish to modify. The container is essentially a workspace that holds your tags, triggers and variables, so it's important to ensure you're working within the correct one for your project. Once you're in the container, click on the Workspace tab if it's not already selected to access the main navigation for managing your tags. Next, take a look at the left-hand menu and locate the Tags option. Clicking this will bring you to the Tags section, where you can view existing tags and manage your tag inventory. Here you'll notice a list of your current tags, each with details on their triggering and firing status. To add a new tag, look to the top right corner of this tag section and you'll see a New button. Clicking New allows you to initiate the process of creating a new tag. Now this is where some decision making comes into play. You need to decide on the tag type. Are you setting up a tag for Google Ads? Perhaps a Google Analytics tracking code or even some custom HTML. Select the appropriate option that fits your needs by clicking on the Tag Configuration button, which will reveal the different types of tags available. Once you've selected the tag type, it's time to configure the tag settings. Depending on what you've chosen, this could mean entering specific IDs, setting parameters, or providing other necessary data to ensure the tag functions correctly. For example, if you're setting up a Google Analytics tag, you'll need the tracking ID to connect your account. These details are crucial for the tag to interact with the other systems correctly, so double check your input to avoid any mishaps later. With the technical configuration complete, move on to naming your tag. Select a name that is descriptive and easily identifiable. A good convention to follow is to include both the tag type and its purpose. For instance, GA, page view tracking, for a Google Analytics page view tag. This practice aids in quickly identifying and managing your tags as your setup grows. Once everything is in place, click the Save button to store your new tag. Saving commits your changes within the tag manager, but remember, the tag won't be live until you publish your workspace. The great thing about the Google Tag Manager is that it allows for testing within the workspace before publishing, so take some time to test your new tag to verify it fires as expected. That is how you add new tags in Google Tag Manager. It's a straightforward process once you know how, and mastering it can enhance how you gather and interpret data for your site. Thanks for joining, and happy tagging.